How to see saved passwords on iPhone. So let's get started. So basically, after the update of iOS 18, you can have a password app option available on your iPhone. So, if you have updated your iOS version to the latest, then you can see this password app option available on your home screen. But if you have not, then simply go to the settings and update your software to the latest version. So now simply tap on the password app and you'll be authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID or your passcode. You can use the search bar at the top to find a specific website or app or tap the desired entry to view details like the username, password and website. So there you can see pass keys option available. You can simply tap on it and there is a long list of your saved password. You can simply scroll down and look for the password you want and tap on the password and copy it and paste it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe and thank you so much for watching.